guys, and welcome back to the Ringer 57 YouTube channel. Today's video is just running over Susie Q, where we're at, what we're doing. We're working slowly towards wrong switch our goals, but it takes time. We want to do this right. We've got until March, February. I think it's going to be April probably before the track's open. So we got some time to get it right, get it worked out. We may do some street tuning in between now and then, and hit the track. Hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, and welcome back. So we are going through some basic mock-up. We've got some simple parts in. I'll run through them quick. But we've got our fuse blocks, we've got our bus bars, we got our fuse holders, and all of our relays will be in tomorrow. We got one more fuse holder to add, but that is low amp, so it's going to be much, much smaller than these 10 gauge. These 10 gauge are feeding our nitrous. Each of our fuse blocks via a relay. There's going to be a relay mounted here and a relay mounted here. Okay. A relay mounted here and a relay mounted here. And we're also going to have the big starter relay chilling up here. So the goal is to minimize cross interference. We don't want high amperage anywhere near our micro harness. So the crossover point will be down here. The micro harness runs way up here. So that'll help. This will be the micro squirt controlled fuse panel. This will only have power when the engine's running. That way nothing backfeeds into the micro, i.e. the injectors, the coils. Yes, I said coils. And this will be our kill switch powered. So anytime the bike has power turned on, this will have power. This will control our USB ports so we don't lose data logs every time we have an interruption to the micro's power to the fuel pump. It'll control our ProMax. It'll control all sorts of little stuff. Anything and everything that I want to have power. The wideband will have power when the micro doesn't. Why? Because I'm sick of it having to reheat every time the stupid thing stalls or hiccups. Hopefully the stalling issues are gone. So I've done some general mock-up here. All these are to simulate going back to this bus bar. I need to get eyelets on them and actually route them there. This line here shows the bottom of our tail section. So these fuse holders will all be exposed, which is a benefit because they're high amp and they're likely to blow. Especially this one because it's controlling the nitrous solenoids. And the fuel solenoid. That's the other thing we've done. We got a fuel solenoid now. I did repill. We are back to a single shot wet system. 1426 is our pill sizes. If you want to do the math, you can go ahead and do that. That'll give you my nitrous shot. I will tell you I'm not going to run that at 100%. I'm probably going to go out of the gate at 50 to 60% and play with it from there. We'll turn it up from that point. Our shock is still stock. Our tail section is still busted, but it is what it is. And it's about all the further we've gotten. I did go ahead and I have to cut this out. This is our air shifter bracket. It mounts it like such. We got to get that cut out, and I'm waiting for a shifter. Conveniently enough, Bandit guys, if you're ever in question, these two bolt holes are the same offset as a Hayabusa. The splines on your shift shaft are the same as a Hayabusa. The offset from here to here is the same as a Hayabusa. So, we got a grudge shifter coming from DME. I am not going to fab something up when I can get something that is superior, cheaper. Probably not cheaper. I can get it cheaper if I fab it, but time-wise, it's worth it. What else have we gotten? Today's deliveries. We've got our replacement windscreen. So we got to get the 57 sticker ordered. I'll probably order that from A1 or A+. I don't know. I got their address. I just send them a freaking letter every time I need stickers, and they send me stickers. Well, I send them a letter with money, and they send me stickers. You get the point. In any case, we're going to come out of the hole pretty good this year. Right now, we're working on power distribution. The ground is up there just to mock up and see where we're at. The relays will be here tomorrow, so the next video will be hopefully running through the power distribution side of things. I still need to come up with a way to properly mount the battery. That is probably going to wind up being a thin aluminum strap picked up from Lowe's. Bolt down, up, over, down, and bolt. I need to make this plate, actually make it out of plastic for this side. However, this side over here will not require it. And then I can mount up both fuse blocks, both bus bars. We'll get all the relays mounted tomorrow. And we'll start doing power distribution. The end goal is to be able to turn it on, but not turn it on tomorrow. Let's clarify that a little bit. I want to be able to turn on the switch and test that I'm going to get power where I want it. And then take and ground the relay on this side and see if it powers up. Because that's all the fuel pump outlet on the micro does. So that's basically where we're at. We're kind of limping along on this. I'm working on getting Junior moved down here. He just left. We did not make any videos while he was here. We took some time to live normal life. So normal life meant go to work, come home. Go to work, come home. Welcome to my world. Hopefully we can make some forward progress in the next, I'm going to say 2 weeks on Susie. Then we'll have an interruption as he moves down here formally. And we'll get back to Susie eventually after that, after everything settles in. I want to have power distribution, ground distribution done, and all of the itemized electrical components that are chilling over there mounted up at that point. Once I have them mounted, I'll focus system by system. I will get the nitrous controller wired up and ready to rock. We're going to route most of it through the micro, and then we'll go ahead and we'll get the micro wired up and routed and start looming all of that nice and neat. We are waiting on an item that'll be here in a week. We are going coil on plug, as I've stated previously. So the coils are on the way along with the factory CBR 600RR wiring harness for that. We'll hack that and chop it and make it work. I do need to order the injector plugs because we are going to lose these stupid little adapters, because I think that might have been some of my issue too, and they're known to be crap. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's real short, real quick, and just a run through. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of a rough cut. It's been almost a week since I've been in the garage, so bear with me. We're going to start making forward progress again. Just takes time to do this. For now, I'm going to enjoy my pizza, and I hope you enjoyed the video.